Now I will tell you about some of the important advantages of the cold rolling machine with the code EMBOSE03, which is one of the most basic wrought iron machines. This machine is designed for difficult and large jobs. The weight of the machine is approximately 2 tons. For your large-scale productions, a perfect reducer is used on a strong steel construction body. It can also be used at the last finishing point of the rolling mills. The machine has a very powerful engine. With its 15 kilowatt motor and bevel gear reducer, you can even cold roll thick iron. The machine offers 80 mm by 80 mm machining area, so you can roll any size. If you wish, 18.5 kilowatt or 21 kilowatt motors are offered as an option. The machine has 2 different operating modes. While making adjustments in manual mode, you can produce abundantly in automatic mode. Since the mold diameter is 250 mm, you will reach the perfect production capacity with 90 revolutions per minute. Speed control unit is offered as standard on the machine. You can use it as a ramp during takeoffs and adjust without tiring the engine. The machine has an emergency button for emergencies. At the same time, the electric motor is always under protection thanks to the motor protection relay. If we talk about the dies that come with the machine, you will receive one of the flat, wiping, square and profile corner forging die sets free of charge. In addition, the clamp is offered as an option with a clamp form die set, square grooving set and 4-line ball machines in order to follow the clamp strip. The molds are made of 2379 German steel, subjected to heat treatment hardening and cementation. It has 2 tempers as standard. You can use it for years without any problems. If you need a new mold, we are always here. Molds have a very long life. With a set of 4 dies, you can roll 200 tons of flat bar, square, wiper iron. Considering that you will buy 3 main sets of molds, this corresponds to 600 tons. We should also tell about patterned die rollers. Order the model you want from hundreds of varieties. When you buy the machine, a patterned mold model with 2 different designs will be sent to you by email free of charge. So, if you wish, you can have these molds made in your own place. Instead of the molds that come with the machine, if you have different mold needs, we offer free exchange. If you have a favorite color, we paint the machines in the color combination you want free of charge. Your machine should not be damaged during international shipping. We insure the machines free of charge. The use of wrought iron cold rolling machine provides an unrivaled advantage to your business in order to get ahead of your competitors, expand your wrought iron product portfolio, and produce models with aesthetic and visual value. Contact us. Request a quote now.